Hi, and a very big welcome to the channel. Today's question is, can osteoarthritis be reversed? This is one of the most frequently asked questions by those suffering from the disease. The answer is a qualified yes. Osteoarthritis can be prevented and it can be reversed. However, in order for this to happen, certain changes to your lifestyle must be made. In osteoarthritis, the cartilage that naturally protects and cushions the knee and the hip joint is worn away, causing inflammation, swelling, and pain. It is not surprising that with this disease so many people are looking for answers to can osteoarthritis be reversed? If you suffer from osteoarthritis, you would understand what osteoarthritis is and how important a healthy diet can be in preventing this disease. Diet plays a key role in helping prevent this disease. A diet that is high in magnesium, calcium, vitamin D, and essential fatty acids can help keep the joints from becoming inflamed and swollen. There are many foods that are good sources of these vitamins and minerals. Also, many foods that are high in antioxidants can help protect the body from the effects of free radicals. Once osteoarthritis is diagnosed in a clinic, a patient will then be put on a diet plan that helps him or her to reduce pain and prevent further bone damage. This can be very beneficial for those who have already lost the ability to use their hands and feet. It can be hard to reverse the disease once it has started. A good diet and exercises can slow the progression of the disease, as well as help patients to manage pain. Those who have already been diagnosed with the disease by a doctor may wonder what kind of diet can help to slow or reverse the disease. The answer is simple. A good diet can help to control the overall level of stiffness that is caused by the disease. It can also be beneficial in preventing damage done to the bones by too much pressure. Unfortunately, there is no drug on the market that can reverse the disease. However, a number of natural remedies are available that can help to improve the quality of life for those suffering from this condition. One of the best-known natural remedies for osteoarthritis is glucosamine. Glucosamine is commonly found in natural dietary supplements that help to repair the cartilage in the joints. Another question that many people who suffer from this condition ask is, can osteoarthritis be reversed? Treatment for this disease will usually focus on controlling the pain and reducing the swelling of the joints. Medications may be prescribed to help control the inflammation and pain associated with osteoarthritis. However, you may also choose to explore all of the natural treatments that can help to improve your health and well-being. Osteoarthritis is a condition that affects the elderly and those who are overweight. This disease is also more common in those women who are pregnant or who are nursing. Prevention is the best treatment for this condition. No matter what caused your arthritis, it is important that you find the cause and learn how to prevent future bouts with this disease. Exercises, stretches, a healthy diet, and taking supplements can help to lower your chance of developing the symptoms of arthritis. How can osteoarthritis be reversed? Unfortunately, sometimes the damage that has already been done to your cartilage cannot be repaired. If the cartilage has been damaged by osteoarthritis, then you will need to have surgery to replace it. This type of surgery is called arthroscopic surgery, and it is one of the most commonly sought after surgeries. In addition to surgery, there are some natural ways that you can reduce the effects of arthritis. A great way to relieve the pain of arthritis is to increase the amount of calcium that you take in each day. Eating foods rich in calcium is an excellent way to naturally treat arthritis. Other ways that you can treat arthritis naturally include things such as hot baths, walking, and weightlifting. These things can help to relieve the pain and stiffness that accompany arthritis. Hopefully, this short video has given you some insight as to how osteoarthritis could be reversed. The next step is for you to do some research and visit your local nutritionist to see what she can recommend for treating your osteoarthritis. By using a combination of prescription and natural treatments along with proper nutrition, your chances of recovering from osteoarthritis increase each and every day. I hope that you will subscribe to the channel, and please also click on the bell button to be updated on our future arthritis information videos. See you soon in the next one.